at Craig today for the first test of this thing. Got Suts, Neil, say hi. So our plan was to go up to Aberdeen. We were going to be going up to Northeast Drift Club, but it was soaking wet, so we did a U-turn, and it's taken us about 4.5 hours to get to Craig because we've been to Aberdeen and now we're coming back. So I've not driven it yet like this, so this is going to be pretty interesting. She's got, like, everything's running mint. We've stuck a wee bit of an alignment on her, and we're going to just really be trying that. We're just going out to the figure of 8. There's the big track is on, like, so we might head out to that, but the figure of 8 is better, I think, for testing, so we're going to start there. Right, darling, be nice to me. For a first little run. Laptop decided to stop working.
Oh, that is absolutely mental.
Just laptop stopped working, so we'll just go in and check what the log's saying. So we've had a bit of an issue in that first run that we did. The laptop screen froze and it said it was 94 degrees water temperature, and it wasn't. So she got up to 113 and we've had to rebleed the system. Phoned Mark. Mark's been awesome, told us what to do, so we're going to try and rebleed the system, and the guys at Craig are going to let us out for one last run. The place is meant to be shut and they're being super sound and letting us have a go. So it's a bit stressful. I'm not loving it. So we'll go and do a skid now. Right. laptop man.
I'll look at the laptop, you just go.
She's cooling down though.
Yeah, it is. I'll look at that, you just go.
Oh, fucking fuck you, computer.
95.
You see, it's cooling down.
Yeah, it is, it's good.
Right, we need to go. And that's us. One more. Fuck you laptop, fuck you laptop.
It was about 4 or 5 when it was really cutting out. The screen was cutting out.
It's the G's.
Actually,
It's the G's on the USB because I pull it in and pull it out. I'm at Driftland today. This is like the second day of testing now, so the last testing we were having some things that were getting hot. First solution to that was to change it, so I now have a new tablet which will not freeze, so I know when it's getting hot and the ECU doesn't need to cut the car out. Last time we got to like 113 degrees, ECU started cutting in and things like that, so I noticed something was going wrong. So now, but I've also done this. Before, this kit was sitting up here, the whole rear end had been changed, so, and the radiator position I don't think was letting enough airflow through, so now leans right forward, any cool air can come in this way. I've also added this big bit here, that was all done as well bit last time, but I'm hoping this means she'll run a bit cooler, and that's about it. We did a wee bit of alignment the last time. I've not changed anything like that. I got a set of scrubs on, so let's just go and see what it does. I'm having a bit of an issue. The car, it just doesn't seem to be making the boost it was making now. We've had Chris log in from Dynatune and just check it, but we only seem to be getting 5 PSI, which is not right. So we put some more settings into the link so we can go out and log it. So I'm going to do a run and see what we find out from that. So for some reason, it's not making boost. Now, what we can put that down to is it's something mechanical. We've had a look at the tune, the computer's doing what it's meant to be doing. So I've nipped everything up. I've also gone and put a bigger spring in the wastegate. And the reason for that is to see if the wastegate was opening too soon. So by having a bigger spring in there, it's going to open later. So if I now make more boost, that should point us along the right direction. So I worked out what the problem was. I left an exhaust bung because I like it running a bit quiet around the house because the neighbours get a bit annoyed, and it wasn't making any boost because there was a massive thing jammed in the exhaust. Way better. Oh, so much better. I'm just now testing my new device. It is making a really big difference. I'm managing to drop the temps by like 10 degrees by just spraying this for like a minute.
What we do here is go back.
Loud.